Hey, we're going to put a Seattle Super Switch in Tito's G&L guitar today. The G&L and the Fender Stratocaster are creations of Leo Fender. You need some tools, string winders, wire cutters, a couple different size screwdrivers, and the Seattle Super Switch. We're going to use skinny top, heavy bottom, as per Tito's request on this. We're going to have a timer going too to see how long this takes. But I've got to tell you right off the bat, when I made this video, I couldn't get the strings out of the body of the guitar because the cover plate on the back blocked their exit. So we had to stop everything and pull off that back plate. It was kind of a hassle, but it did add about 8 minutes to our installation. There's the obsolete switch right there. When you pull these guitars apart and look inside them, it's good to make note photographically, and if you have little pieces of tape or something, you can mark which wires go where. There's the 3 pickup wires and the volume and tone wires. It comes with instructions, but it's always good to consult a guitar tech. There's the antiquated, obsolete 5-way switch. You can use a wire stripper to strip the wires, or you can, if you're skilled with a pair of scissors, you can do the old, strip with a pair of scissors there. So the wires go right in the side there, and on the side of the casing there are markings to tell you which wires go where, which is really helpful. It makes it really easy to install. And the switch is designed to slip into all guitars that have the 5-way switch in them. The screw pattern's the same, it just drops right in. And you can see that the wires tighten in there real easy, and they're very secure in there. In my 4 or 5 years of having prototypes in action, I've never had a wire come loose. And the tonal quality is just fantastic. So solder is not required. Nobody wants to run a soldering iron around a nice old guitar anyway. My dogs are barking in the background, their approval of the switch going into the pick guard. There's the old one, and there's the new one. And then we're going to throw the strings back on, and even with all of our detours, we still did it in under an hour. And we're going to throw it into this beautiful vibroverb amp and have a listen to it. We're going to start with the 5 positions that you're used to with your 5-way switch, and then you'll hear positions 6 and 7.